And we're off. Now I got this garbage. I don't know what to do with it. If you didn't know by now that Japan doesn't have many garbage cans. I forgot what this teddy's name was. That's cool. Oh, Ted Hyber. Oh, I see. So we were just down there. Oh. So this whole area is called Umeda Kita something something. Anyways. So all these like Christmas lights are up here. We'll head over to the other mall right now. It's a special. I've never seen this color before. It's a young woman driving this. It's an AMG. Damn, G-Wagon. So yeah, that's where they would have, I think it's called the Umeda Sky Building, but that's where they would have the German market. I went last year. It's in one of my old YouTube videos. It's like one of my first ones, but they canceled it this year. So we're gonna go see that. Oh, are those garbage cans? No, it's just like some pole. All right, so we're gonna go. What is this? All right, so we're gonna go to. I think I think there's two parts of this Grand Front Hotel mall, but I wanted to go to a secondhand store over there. I might take you guys with me actually. I love all these little restaurants. They're so like, I don't know, they really welcome the people to come there and chill and hang out. You can just eat outside, have a pie. Just BMW. Alright, so yeah, I'm supposed to go there. That is also the Grand Front. So I think I'm gonna go inside and then go on top of this thing. And then there's the secondhand places over there. So I'm probably gonna end the video after the Christmas thing and then go to that secondhand place in the next video. Alright. I'm eating the other chocolate. I'm gonna go in. Oh, I guess this whole area is just called Jonnykimchee. This mall, wherever they have food. 8th floor has food. Gap Kids. So this is, the other one has like clothes and stuff. This one has more like home goods, electronics. They even have a Mercedes store in here. Okay. Alright, so we're on the 2nd floor. There's some shops and restaurants. We should go there. Averix. It's like a popular American 90s like hip-hop brand. It's kind of dead in America. So here it is. This is it. Got music playing though. Trying to avoid the music. It's nice. We got some Mazdas there. So usually when this is not here, this mall is so dead. So this kind of stuff doesn't really faze me because they have crazier stuff. When I lived in China, this would be like a normal kind of thing in China. I remember this one mall was just so crazy. Maybe we'll go downstairs and see what it looks like from the floor. Oh, I've never seen this. Suntory Whiskey House. So if you know Suntory, they bought out Jim Beam and they have their own restaurant. That's crazy. I don't know how far I can go inside, but wow. Suntory is like one of the biggest whiskey brands in Japan. They have one factory near my house actually. But look, how cool is that? It's like a museum in here. I don't know how far I can go in here. Yeah, see, they bought out Jim Beam. Jim Beam used to be in my hometown in Illinois. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, Maker's Mark. I love Maker's Mark. Jim Beam, Knob Creek. I don't know if they own that now. I don't know if they own this. Let me read this actually. Each bottle of premium bourbon is hand dipped and doesn't say anything about the acquisition. Oh, the dining is over there. This is like a mini museum. That is so cool. Oh, the food looks delicious. Whoa. Wow, this place is crazy. They must make a lot of money. That is so cool. This brand must make so much money. Anyways, I would love to get drunk here. They have, if you look in the inside of the restaurant, they just have like this cool dining area, very dim. They probably have a nice view in the back, but yeah, I don't drink alcohol either because I think it's gonna cause inflammation in my eyes, so I just don't drink alcohol. Look at how massive this is. Look at the floor to the ceiling. And that's a person. How tall this is. It's so massive from the ground. Oh my gosh. Oh, the Intercontinental is right here. Oh. Okay. I heard they got a really good buffet there. I thought this was a mannequin. It's a person. I seriously thought it was a mannequin. Whoa. It looks better from the ground floor actually. I didn't know they didn't have this before. Some sort of like cafe combined with the Mercedes store. Whoa. Dang. Oh, music. Oh, it must be the new electric Mercedes. Alright. That's it. Hachimura. They really like him here. Alright, so I still have this garbage in my hand. I should be done by now. Alright, so that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna go and make some more videos, so I hope you look out for those videos. And I just want to thank again, I'm so grateful for all the people that have been watching since who knows when. And you know, thank you for motivating me to make more videos, and I still have this garbage in my hands. So I hope you look out for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.